Naval Base, San Diego, 23 years ago. I don't use the word adventure lightly because that is exactly what it was. I didn't like him so much in the beginning. In fact, we fought quite a bit. For those of you who were around at that time, the word skateboard should be ingrained in your memory. As the years went on, I saw the man behind the solid curtain, someone who cares deeply about his team. I will never forget the day that I was in building 3303, having a difficult pregnancy moment. Ron was right there by my side. Albeit he was talking sports with another employee, go figure, and I had to flag him down to call 911. He was there. He was the first one to call me to make sure that I was okay. He was there to hold my newborn, who's now 18 and off to college, with his 6'2" hands. Ron was at every special event that I put on, providing support only Ron knows how. I often joke that Ron knows things about me that my own family don't, and it's not a joke. My words to describe Ron: big brother, leader, mentor, confidant, and most of all, dear friend. Dear friend, Allison. She's crying, everybody.
So for the skateboard comment, there's a skateboard park. I had the vision. This was right when it started. We're gonna build a freaking skateboard park. She was the youth center manager and didn't want it because she had no clue. Rallied her, I was pretty new then, rallied all the old school troops against me and freaking won. I'm not gonna forget anything. I know she won. I was like, we don't have a skateboard, poor kids.
Okay, so just so you know, I got council approval.
Council approval.
Council approval. Butter.